Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Opera GX gaming browser in your Android and iOS. So you have to go Google Play Store if you're Android user, and you can go your App Store if you're iPhone user. Then search here on the search box Opera GFX GX gaming browser. Then here you can see this is the first option, Opera GX gaming browser. 4.1 rating, only 12 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already uses this app. And this experience the only browser created for gamers. So it is for gamers. So if you're a gamer, then this is the perfect browser for you. So simply click on install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.